Hi everyone, my name is Dishne and I'm the owner of Dare to Dream Accessories, and today I'm just going to demo some of my products and show you how I would accessorize them with a simple black dress such as this one. So typically when I go to church, I always wear something plain. I'm a very minimalistic person, but I try to improve my appearance with a little bit of accessories. So for instance, let's say I wanted to go purple. I do this grapple grape brooch right here, this beautiful purple brooch, and then I'd go in with one of my turbans. So one of the fun things that I like about turbans is that on a day when my hair is not as fresh, I can always, with a little bit of quickness, just throw it on, set it nicely, fix my hair so that it's nice and comfortable and aligned, and I have, as you can see, a different look, a little bit more elegant, a little bit more put together, and it hides my imperfection of my hair. If I don't like this direction of this particular turban, I can simply turn it the other way. I can turn it this way and it's a different look, and it improves my look on a whole. And I can always pair it with a nice bracelet, necklace, or even a watch, and turn a simple black dress into something absolutely beautiful. Another thing is that, let's say I wanted to go silver. So I'm going to use the same turban, but in a different color. So I could go this direction with the turban. Just have to align it nicely. Fix my hair, of course. You know, we have to look our best out here. Simple, aligned, perfect. So I could go with this turban, and I could go with either this royal drop brooch, which is really big, large and in charge, or I could go dainty with this other brooch that I have. They're both very sparkly. Or I can even go with the other version of the grapple grape with the white version. I could go with the Valerie pearl, or I can even go with the Gloriana. I could go any direction with the gray, and it does have a touch of green in there. So if you wanted to put on a nice green watch, necklace, or even your shoes or handbag could be green, and that would elevate the look just the same.